So it turns out that the unboxing last Monday isn't actually over, and it appears that my supplier has hidden a bunch of cubes inside each of the MoYu Backpacks I ordered. So sorry to anyone who's ordered a MoYu Backpack. I have had to open it and remove a bunch of cubes from it. The person who ordered one recently, and it's the reason I noticed, yeah, I almost sent you £126 worth of cubes. I hope if that ever happens, people will be honest enough to let me know and send them back. But yeah, I'm glad I noticed that. Because, I mean, the thing is, it's like, if you're going to do this, please tell me that you're going to hide a bunch of cubes inside each of the bags. So obviously the first MoYu Backpack I've already sent out, so I've removed all the cubes from that, but now I've got to remove the cubes from the rest. So yeah, Mailong 3x3M, more of them. I mean, I've already got a bunch of them. Mailong 5x5M, more of them. Yep, Puppet 2. Yeah, this mix-up Scoob 2. What's this? I think that's a Polaris cube. If anybody thinks it's anything else, let me know. And even lemon cubes. I thought I wasn't going to get any of those, but turns out I am getting some lemon cubes. And yeah, Mr. M 2x2s. I'll have to try that. I forgot about them. And usually Little Magic 2x2M. Fair enough. I've already got some. Mix Up Cube 2. Another Polaris cube. Puppet 2 again. Is this a Clover cube or something? Another Puppet 2 and Mix Up Scoob 2, and I think that's a Clover cube, not sure. But anyway, let's get on to stuff I haven't actually seen yet. Dear, right. Mailong 4x, so loads of Mailong 4x4s, yeah. I thought I ordered a bunch of Mailong 4x4s, but didn't really have time to go and check what actually happened. So yeah. Oh yeah, the 45mm mini cubes. Yeah. So yeah, I did order a bunch of Mailong 4x4s because I'm going to need a bunch, especially if non-essential market trading's allowed anytime soon, because I might actually go to them. Ashton Village Day, for example. I've signed up for the National Young Traders Market, so I'm going to need a bunch of cheap budget cubes for that sort of thing. GMS 4x4s. I thought I wasn't going to get any of these, but turns out I am. So that's nice. And is this more GMS 4x4s? No, GMS Pyraminxes. Thought they were out of stock already, but no, I've got some more. I presume there's a bunch of GMS 5x5s in the other bag as well, and more 4.5mm cubes. Yeah, okay. GMS Pyraminx. Right, and I guess it's time to check the final bag and do a bunch more listings that I didn't expect I'd have to do. Right, okay. Pear cube. I thought I wasn't going to get any of these, but another pear cube. I'm not sure whether I'll keep any of these for myself. I mean, I'm keeping the banana. Bananas. I mean, to be honest, the banana is the most interesting. I don't think that's really deniable, because it's the only one, as far as I'm aware, that's not a cube. Like, all the rest are just boring old cubes, just in different weird shapes. The banana is actually not a cube, which makes it a lot more interesting. Another peach. And another lemon. Right, okay. And, yep, the 4x4 Pyraminx. I mean, I've already got a bunch of those, but still. And there's the other Mr. M 4x4. Confused about that. And, yep, Mix Up Scoob 3. I suspect that's pretty difficult, although I don't know. I might actually try and solve these at some point, but I don't know. But anyway, I guess this is an impromptu time to actually have a look at the MoYu Backpack. So it comes with a pouch at the front, like this, and just a standard thing here. So it can be a pretty standard backpack, and oh, that's a bit worrying. Zip. Right, let's open it up properly. And yeah, there is a little pouch at the front here, but it's not very big, unfortunately. So you couldn't fit like a book or something in there, unless it was a very small book. So it is a pretty standard backpack. You might, yeah, you'd have to have a very small drinks carton to fit in there. But the thing is, it's got a bunch of these pouches like this. So if you wanted to, you could stick it, I think it goes like this in here, and then have a bunch of pouches for cubes like that, I guess. And then would you just stick on yet more of these, and then just like have a pouch here and stuff a cube in it, I guess. Something like that. And you put that there, and then you've got 3. I thought you could have up to 8 pouches, but I can't seem to see any. Oh, wait a minute. You've got this pouch here already, this thing here, so that way you can stick it there, and then you can take all these out, stick this here, yep, and then there should be enough for 8 pouches for cubes, and I suspect they're pretty big pouches, so you could fit like a 7x7 in each one of them. Let's do it all quickly, and let's get that in. Yep, there we go. So here we have it. Yeah, you can have a bunch of pouches for cubes. Obviously you'd want to get them evenly sized, but I don't have time for that. And then you can even fit pretty big cubes inside the pouches. And yeah, so I guess it could be useful for competitions if that's the sort of thing you want. Or if you just want a standard backpack, then take all the pouches out and yeah. So definitely a nice, I guess it's a nice backpack, but I would want like a bigger pocket here so I could store a book of some sort in it. Oh, wait a minute, they've got another pouch here. That's nice. Oh, but that's tiny as well. It's a bit annoying, all these tiny pouches. I want them to be a bit bigger. I guess it's not really a school bag. It's a cubing bag. So yeah, if you want it for cubing competitions, then I can recommend a MoYu Backpack, but I can't really recommend it for like school stuff or just. Then again, I mean it's got a reasonable amount of space in it, but yeah, I think it has its uses, but I'm not sure I'll be using it for much, unfortunately, because if I'm going to send out cubes or going to market stores, I need a much bigger bag, and if I'm going to school, I want a few more pouches for like books and stuff. So yeah, it's nice, but I can't really see where I would what I'd use it for, unfortunately. Anyway, thanks for watching this rather surprising video. that I don't know why I had to make. I'll stop it at 10 minutes